In this video you will learn step by step how you can share your screen on Canva. So as you'll notice right here, I'm on the main screen. From here what you want to do is you want to open up an existing project or create a new design. So for here I will just choose this one. Now what we want to do, as you can see, this is currently a blank design, right? So what we can do first of all is we can click on our project, and then this will then bring up this left hand side bar menu right here. So what we can do from here is scroll down and then select uploads, and then once we click on uploads you will then be able to click on record yourself. Once we click on record yourself, you want to then allow any permissions. So as you can see, click on allow, and then once we click on allow again, what we will then be able to do, if it's not showing, you can go to the top right hand corner, click on the settings icon, and here is where you want to scroll over and then click on screen. Once we click on screen, you want to then allow permissions, so allow to share window or allow to share screen. Obviously what you want to do is click on share window. So for me what this would allow me to do is it would allow me to choose between my MacBook or my external monitor. In this case I will use my external monitor, so I can click on share this window, and then as you can see it will share whatever is on my screen. So it's just that simple guys. That's how you can share your screen inside Canva.